crash or a GPU dump triggered error in Marvel Rivals, here's a comprehensive guide with advanced solutions to fix the issue. Paired basic troubleshooting steps. 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your GPU meets or exceeds the minimum recommended requirements. Minimum GPU, NVIDIA GTX 970 or AMD RX 570. Recommended GPU, NVIDIA RTX 2060 or AMD RX 6600. 2. Update GPU drivers. NVIDIA. Download the latest drivers from the NVIDIA website /nvidia.com. AMD. Download the latest drivers from the AMD website, amd.com. Perform a clean installation of the driver for best results. 3. Disable overclocking. If your GPU or CPU is overclocked, revert to factory clock speeds. Overclocking can cause instability in graphically demanding games. Advanced solutions. 1. Adjust in-game graphics settings. Lower the following settings: texture quality, shadows, anti-aliasing, turn off ray tracing, if enabled, limit FPS to 60 or lower to reduce GPU load. Hack 2. Increase virtual memory, page file size. Go to Control Panel, System, Advanced System Settings. Under the Performance tab, click Settings, Advanced Virtual Memory. Set the page file size to 1.5x your system RAM, e.g. for 16GB RAM, set 24 gigabits. 3. Verify game files. On Steam Epic, right-click the game Properties, Local Files, verify integrity of game files. 4. Disable overlay software. Disable overlays such as Steam Overlay, NVIDIA GeForce Experience Overlay, Discord Overlay. 5. Reinstall DirectX and Visual C++. Download and reinstall DirectX 12. Install the latest Visual C+ redistributables, x86 and x64. Hack 6. Modify GPU settings. NVIDIA. Open the NVIDIA control panel. Go to Manage 3D Settings, Program Settings, add Marvel Rivals. Set Power Management Mode to prefer maximum performance. AMD. Open the AMD Adrenalin software. Disable features like Radeon Anti-Lag and Radeon Chill. 7. Disable full screen optimizations. Navigate to the game installation folder. Right-click the game executable marvelrivals.exe. Select Properties, Compatibility, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. 8. Enable Debug Mode. NVIDIA. Open the NVIDIA control panel. Go to Help, Enable Debug Mode. This temporarily underclocks the GPU to prevent crashes. Fix corrupted GPU cache. 1. Clear NVIDIA shader cache. Go to C, Users, your username, App Data, Local, NVIDIA DX Cache. Delete all files in this folder. 2. Clear AMD shader cache. Open AMD Adrenalin, Settings, Graphics. Select Perform Reset under Shader Cache. Reinstall or perform a clean install of the game. 1. Uninstall the game through your launcher Steam Epic. 2. Delete residual files from C, Users, your username, Documents, Marvel Rivals, Game Installation Directory. 3. Reinstall the game on a different drive if possible. Contact support with logs. If the error persists, 1. Check the crash logs located in the game directory, e.g. crash reports or logs folder. 2. Submit the logs to the Marvel Rivals support team through their official support page /support.marvelrivals.com. Let me know which step resolves your issue or if additional guidance is needed.